Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way to build a meeting sign-up app. To get started, scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the JotForm platform. JotForm is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. It offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize your forms. With JotForm, you can collect registrations, payments, surveys, and more. And also, you get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up for JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your JotForm account. Now, to build a meeting sign-up app in JotForm, start by navigating to the top left side of the page and clicking on the My Forms option. From there, select My Apps from the given options. This will take you to the My Apps page where you can view any existing applications you have already built. To create a new app, click on the Create App button. This will redirect you to another page where you have different options to start building your application. For this tutorial, we will choose the Use Template option to utilize a pre-built template. Clicking on this option will take you to the template store. In the template store, you will find hundreds of templates organized in the left menu. You can also use the search bar to find a specific template. Since we are looking for a meeting sign-up template, we will search for the keyword meeting in the search bar. The search results will display the available templates, and in this case, there are two templates related to meeting sign-up. We will select the template called Meeting Signup in App. To use this template, click on the Preview button and then click on the Use Template button. This will direct you to the editor where you can customize the template according to your requirements. Once you have customized the template to your liking, click on the Publish option to access the Publish section. In the Publish section, you have various options for sharing or embedding your form. You can copy the link to share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. Additionally, you have the option to open the form in a new tab to view it from a user's perspective. If you want to provide a mobile-friendly experience, you can generate and download a QR code. When someone scans this QR code, the app will be installed on their mobile phone, allowing for quick and easy access to the meeting sign-up form. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I can try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my JotForm tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.